Hello everyone, welcome to Zifeng Learns to Make. So today I'm going to learn how to do 3D sculpting using an app called Forger on my iPad. Forger. So this app is basically a 3D sculpting app. From what I understand, it's like playing Play-Doh, so you sculpt stuff using your finger. Okay, so I'm going to sculpt a character called Suika from the anime Dr. Stone. So it's actually a watermelon head. The shape should be manageable for me. Let's try it. So now I'm create new scene. So I have the reference. This is the reference picture. Basically, it is a watermelon. Okay, looks like it. And then dig a hole. Or just make a hole manually. Yes. Looks good, looks good. I'm sure this is not the best way to do it, but that's the only way I know for now. Okay. Save. Always save your work. How do I save? Suika. Can I make a separate object? I think I can, right? This looks like a cylinder. Transform. Move up. Scale. Done. Oh, nice. Since the pool is so good, I will make a smaller stock. Scale is important. Okay. For the back, one long stock. Nice. Okay. Now I'll just make it slightly uneven. Now a leaf. How do I create a leaf? Insert object, a plane, transform, move up, rotate. Oh, a plane only has one side, so nope. Okay, cube will do. Transform, move up, flatten. Oh, so what if I mask a leaf shape? Why is my mask so pixelated? Yeah, whatever. Leaf shape. Okay, and then I'll push it in. I'm sure this is not the right way to do stuff. Okay, although it's ugly, but more or less is there. Now I got a leaf after 30 minutes. Transform, move it down, rotate, scale. Okay, more or less. Nice, I'm done. Ding! Save your work. Do I want to create a texture? I'll try. I'll just make the cracks. This is a really boring episode because I've been recording for almost 1 hour and I haven't been talking much. So yeah, it's just me doing my stuff. Okay. This looks like it. Save. So now the question is, how do I paint it? And to answer that question, I have made another tutorial for it. So it's about UV, like how to apply texture like this to the model. So it's done inside Blender and this is already on Instagram. This video was taken through Instagram filter. If you follow me in the link in the description below, you can use this filter on your Instagram, and if you open your mouth, it will change. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next tutorial video.